Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted YouTube videos. First things first, open YouTube and log into your channel account. Now click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you're on screen like this, scroll down and select help and feedback. And once you're on the help page, click on contact us and explain that your videos was deleted by mistake and you need to recover it, and then click on next, then select other, and then tap on next step. Now scroll to the bottom and again click on next step. Now you will have two options. The first is chat now and the other is email support. So click on chat now, and here's the key part: attach your channel's link. This boosts your chance of getting it restored. Now in this chat now option, explain your problem and provide the link for your videos as well. Email them, ensure that you attach or send the YouTube video link that you want to recover, and attaching the video link will increase the possibility of successfully recovering it. And this is going to bring back your deleted videos. And that's it.